The Kawasaki Ninja 400 has been around for a while now, but in 2026 the big question is it still worth buying? Surprisingly, I'd say yes. Even with newer bikes entering the market, the Ninja 400 continues to hit that sweet spot between performance, comfort, and affordability. Its 399cc parallel twin engine delivers smooth, predictable power that's perfect for beginners, yet it's still fun enough to keep experienced riders entertained on twisty roads. One of the biggest reasons people still love this bike is how confidence-inspiring it feels. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and the riding position is sporty without becoming uncomfortable on longer rides. Plus, Kawasaki's build quality has always been solid, so reliability is another strong point. Of course, it's not perfect. The technology isn't as advanced as some newer rivals, and if you're chasing top-end speed, you'll eventually outgrow it. But for daily commuting, weekend rides, or even your first track day, it still delivers an excellent riding experience. So, is the Kawasaki Ninja 400 still worth it in 2026? Absolutely. If you're looking for one of the best all-around beginner-friendly sport bikes that won't empty your wallet, this bike remains one of the smartest choices you can make.